The spectra result from the transition induced between vibration energy level of a molecule or the absorption of IR radiation. The spectra occurs in the range of 500 to 4000 centimeter per minus 1 or 10 to the power of 13 to 10 to the power of 14 hertz or 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 to 6.9 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. The range is given in terms of centimeter per minus 1, in terms of hertz as well as in terms of meter. The vibrational frequency of the molecule in second power minus 1 nu equal to 1 by 2 pi root of k by mu, and from this equation you observe the vibrational frequency is directly proportional to the force constant and inversely proportional to the reduced mass. The frequency can be also expressed in centimeter per minus 1, that is in nu bar, that will be equal to 1 by 2 pi c into root of k by mu in centimeter per minus 1, where k is the force constant in Newton per meter and mu is the reduced mass. The potential energy of the simple harmonic oscillator is given by Hooke's rule, is given by the equation Vx is equal to half into k into r minus re whole power half, which will be equal to 1 by 2 kx square. The for harmonic oscillator, the potential energy will be equal to 1 by 2 kx square, where x is the displacement and which should be equal to r minus re, and re is the equilibrium bond length. The potential energy of the simple harmonic oscillator is a function of displacement from the configuration, equilibrium configuration, and the energy of the vibrational harmonic oscillator, vibration energy level of the harmonic oscillator, EV equal to V plus half into h nu, and V is the vibrational quantum number and it takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 etc., and nu is known as the vibrational frequency, and the energy is expressed in second power minus 1. The 0 point energy E0, that will be equal to half h nu. You put V equal to 0, the vibrational quantum number will be equal to 0. Therefore, the energy of the lowest vibrational energy level of the oscillator is not 0. And these energy levels are equally spaced. The spacing is equal to h nu. And it is given by, suppose if it is expressed in terms of centimeter per minus 1 and the energy is divided by h nu, then it will become V plus half into nu by c, which is equal to V plus half omega E, and this is the equation. The energy is given in centimeter per minus 1 and omega E is the vibrational equilibrium vibrational frequency. Selection rule for IR spectra. Delta nu equal to plus or minus 1 and the dipole moment of the molecule must change during the vibration. These two are very important. Delta nu equal to plus or minus 1 and there is a change in the electrical dipole during the vibration. If you consider the transition nu equal to 0 to nu equal to 1 and nu equal to 1 to nu equal to 2, these two transitions are allowed. But nu equal to 0 to nu equal to 2 and nu equal to 1 to nu equal to 3, and these transitions are forbidden transition. The vibrational quantum numbers changes by unity. The spectrum frequency corresponding to the vibrational transition nu equal to nu plus 1 will be equal to, nu bar will be equal to V plus 1 half into omega E minus V plus half omega E, that will be equal to omega E. That is The vibrational frequency corresponding to the transition is called fundamental vibrational frequency. Diatomic molecules have only stretching vibrational frequency and they do not have bending vibrational frequency. Homonuclear diatomic molecules such as H2, O2, N2, etc. do not have permanent dipole moment and they do not show IR spectra. But the heteronuclear diatomic molecule CONOCN possess dipole moment and they show IR spectra. And this is the equation for anharmonic oscillator. This equation is known as Morse equation. V of R equal to dE into 1 minus exponential A R minus RE whole square, where A is a constant and D is the dissociation energy of the molecule. The dissociation energy diagram, the Morse diagram, is given below, and the diagram explains the Hooke's law as well as the dissociation energy of diatomic anharmonic oscillator. And the energy of the anharmonic oscillator is given by the equation GV is equal to V plus half omega E minus V plus half square into omega E XE, and where omega E XE is called anharmonic constant. This is the energy equation for anharmonic oscillator. The selection rule, delta nu will be equal to plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. For harmonic oscillator, the selection rule is delta nu equal to plus or minus 1. And these are called first and second overtone. The intensity of an overtone is independent upon unharmonicity of the vibration, and the overtones are having weak intensity. The force constant for a diatomic molecule can be calculated from the equation. Nu bar will be equal to 1 by 2 pi c root of k by mu. The k is the force constant, mu is the reduced mass. Therefore, k will be equal to 4 pi square c square nu square and mu. The greater the bond energy and the greater the force constant. If we consider the different molecule N2, the frequency is 2331 centimeter per minus 1, and the reduced mass is 1.1625 into 10 to the power minus 26, and the force constant is 2240 Newton per meter. For O2, the frequency is 1556. The reduced mass is 1.3276 into 10 to the power minus 26, and the force constant is 1140 Newton per meter. And for HCl, the frequency is 2886. The force constant is 0.6127 into 10 to the power minus 26, and the force constant is 480 Newton per meter. Therefore, N2 molecule has the highest force constant value. Vibrational rotational spectra. The rotational vibrational spectra for the vibrating molecule is given by SJV will be equal to B into J into J plus 1, this is for rotational energy, and plus V plus half into omega E minus V plus half into omega square. Omega E and XE is for vibrational energy level. You combine these two energy, you add these two energy, you will get the energy for rotational vibrational spectra. The selection rule is delta J equal to plus or minus 1 and delta nu will be equal to plus or minus 1, and this is the selection rule for rotational vibrational spectra. For transition, delta J equal to plus 1 delta S will be equal to omega 0 plus 2b into j double dash plus 1 centimeter power minus 1. For the transition delta j equal to minus 1, the delta S Vj will be equal to omega 0 plus 2b into j dash plus 1 centimeter power minus 1. And this is the selection rule for rotational vibrational spectra, and omega 0 is called the bond center, and it does not appear in the rotational vibrational spectrum. The spectrum consists of equally spaced lines with the spacing equal to 2b on each side of the bond center. The line corresponding to delta j equal to minus 1 are called P branch, and delta j equal to plus 1 are called R branch. The force constant K will be equal to 4 pi square V square into mu, where V is the vibrational frequency in second power minus 1 and mu is the reduced mass. Therefore, the vibrational frequency is directly proportional to force constant and inversely proportional to the reduced mass. The unit for force constant dynes per centimeter or Newton per meter. And this is the energy diagram for rotational vibrational spectra. Here the selection rules are applied. Nu equal to 0 equal to nu equal to 1, delta nu equal to plus or minus 1, and delta j equal to 0 to delta j is equal to 1, delta j will be equal to plus or minus 1, and you get, and the right hand side you have R branches, and the left hand side you have B branches, and the energy levels are separated by 2b centimeter power minus 1. But you can expect P and R branches in rotational vibrational spectra. The fundamental vibration nu observed will be equal to nu E minus 2xe nu E. First overtone nu observed will be equal to 2 nu E minus 6xe nu E. And for second overtone, nu observed will be equal to 3 nu E minus 12xe into nu E. And using these three equations, we can calculate the fundamental vibration, first overtone and second overtone, after substituting nu E and xe nu E in these equations. The selection rule for parallel bands, delta nu equal to plus 1 and delta j will be equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, it gives B and R branches. The selection rule for perpendicular band, delta nu equal to plus 1 and delta j equal to plus or minus 1 and 0. Therefore, it gives P, Q and R branches. The number of vibration for polyatomic molecule. Let us consider HCl. It is a linear molecule. The total number of vibration is 6. For all molecule, the translational degree of freedom is 3. For linear molecule, the rotational degree of freedom is 2, and vibrational degree of freedom is 3 n minus 5. Therefore, it is 1. For HCl, 6, 3, 2, 1. Regarding CO2, it is a linear molecule. The total number of vibrational modes is 9. The translational modes is 3. The rotational modes is 2 and the vibration modes is 4. For H2O, it is a nonlinear molecule. The total number of vibration is 9 and translational modes is 3, rotational modes is 3 and the vibration modes is 3. For ammonia molecule, the total number of vibration is 12, translation modes 3, rotational modes is 3 and vibration modes is 6. By the way, we can simply calculate the number of vibrations for all molecule. Types of vibration. One is symmetric stretching vibration, 2 asymmetric stretching vibration, 3 bending vibration. In symmetric stretching vibration, the bond length may increase or decrease during the vibration and the symmetry is maintained throughout the process. That type of vibration is known as symmetric stretching vibration. In asymmetric stretching vibration, and one end the bond length increases and another end the bond length decreases, and the symmetry of the molecule is not maintained, therefore it is a asymmetric stretching vibration. In bending vibration, there is a change in the bond angle during the vibration. Now we are going to discuss about the different types of bending vibration. There are 4 types: scissoring, 2 atoms approach each other; rocking, the movement of the atom takes place in the same direction; wagging, the 2 atoms move up and below the plane with respect to the central atom; twisting, one of the atom move up the plane while other moves down the plane with respect to the central atom. There are 4 types of bending vibrations. The vibrational modes of molecules. Let us take H2 as an example. For water molecule, 3 modes of vibrations are possible, and all the vibrations are IR active. One is symmetric stretching vibration, nu1, 3650 cm per -1. Asymmetric stretching vibration, nu3, 3760 cm per -1. Asymmetric bending vibration, nu2, 1600 cm per -1. If we see the values of vibration, the asymmetric stretching vibration has the highest frequency. Next, the symmetric stretching vibration, then bending vibrations, and all the 3 vibrations are IR active. In the case of CO2, 4 modes of vibrations are possible. One is symmetric stretching vibration, which is IR inactive but Raman active, because there is no change in the dipole moment in the symmetric stretching vibration. The second one is asymmetric stretching vibration, and nu3 will be equal to 2349 cm per -1. It is IR active as well as Raman active. Third, the symmetric bending vibration, nu2 will be equal to 667 cm per -1. It is IR active and Raman inactive, and it is exists as doubly degenerate frequency. Now we are going to discuss the different type of objective questions. Question number 1. Which of the following does not show IR spectrum? A. C2H2, B. HF, C. NO, D. CO. Here HF, CO, NO are IR active, but in the case of C2H2 it has no dipole moment, therefore it does not show IR spectrum. Therefore option A is correct. Which of the following will have the lowest frequency? You know very well, the frequency is inversely proportional to reduced mass. In the case of C, nu CB, the reduced mass is high, therefore the vibrational frequency is low. Option C, VCB is the correct answer. The number of IR active vibrational modes of pyridine is. The molecular formula of pyridine is C5H5N, therefore the number of atoms will be equal to 11. You substitute in the equation 3n-6, it is a nonlinear molecule. You put n equal to 11, 33 minus 6, that will be equal to 27. But the expected vibrational modes are 27, but 3 modes are IR inactive, therefore 27 minus 3, that will be equal to 24. But the possible vibrational modes are 24 for pyridine, therefore C24 is the correct answer. The vibrational frequency and anharmonic constant of an alkyl halides are 300 cm/-1 and 0.0025 respectively. The position of its fundamental modes and first 2 overtones are 300, 600, B 298.5 and 598.5, C 301.5, 60.5, D 290 and 580. Generally, the first 2 overtone fundamental mode and first 2 overtones are not whole numbers. Therefore, option A and option D are incorrect. And the fundamental mode and first two overtones are the less than the 300 centimeter per minus 1, as well as the first two overtone value 600 centimeter per minus 1. Therefore, the correct option is B, 298.5 and 598.5 centimeter per minus 1. It is explained below. The fundamental vibration nu observed nu E minus 2xe nu E, first two overtone U observed will be equal to 2 nu E minus 6xe nu U. You substitute the value of nu E and xe, you will get the fundamental vibration is 298.5 centimeter per minus 1, and first two overtone will be equal to 595.5 centimeter per minus 1. For a triatomic molecule of the type AP2 shows two absorption line on IR Raman line. The structure of the molecule is. Here you have to consider the rule of mutual exclusion principle. If a molecule possesses center of symmetry, the vibrations which are IR active are Raman inactive, and Raman active are IR inactive. Therefore, for the molecule of the type BAB, that type of molecule possesses center of symmetry. For this molecule, symmetric stretching vibration is IR inactive, asymmetric as well as bending vibrations are IR active. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Question number 6. The molecule which is IR inactive but Raman active. Here the correct answer is A, N2, because N2 do not possess permanent dipole moment, therefore IR inactive, at the same time it is Raman active. The number of translational, rotational, vibrational degree of freedom in CO2 molecule respectively. For any molecule, you consider the translational degree of freedom is 3. If you consider the option A, B and D are incorrect. Here C option have 3 translation degree of freedom. For a linear molecule, the rotational degree of freedom is 2, and 3 n minus modes of vibration is vibrational modes, it is equal to 4. Therefore, the correct answer is C, 3, 2, 4. The 0 point energy of simple harmonic oscillator is, the correct answer is B, half h nu. Which of the following molecules may show absorption in infraspectra? Option A, option B and option D, and these molecules do not possess dipole moment, and these 3 molecules are IR inactive. And option 3, CH3 single bond CH3 is IR active. Therefore, it shows absorption in IR spectra. Option C is correct answer. For a pure vibrational spectra, the selection rule is, you can easily say option B, delta nu equal to plus or minus 1. Question number 11. The normal modes of vibration of N2O is A1, B3, C4, D7. The correct option is C4. The force constant K of a diatomic molecule is equal to, the correct answer is B, 4 pi square, C square, nu square, mu square. Choose the incorrect match from the following. A molecule for HCl, the number of vibration is 1. For SO2, 3. For CO2, 4. These 3 options are correct. For C2H2, it is a linear molecule. Therefore, you may expect 7 modes of vibration for the molecule C2H2, but it is given as 6. Therefore, option D is incorrect match in this question. In CO2 molecule, the degenerate fundamental vibrations are, generally the degenerate vibrations are bending vibration. In option B, in plane bending and out of plane bending are degenerate fundamental vibration. Therefore, option B is correct. The selection rule for parallel bands. Option A, delta nu equal to plus 1 and delta j equal to plus or minus 1. This is the correct option. Question number 16. The selection rule for perpendicular band we have already discussed. Option B, delta nu equal to plus 1 and delta j will be equal to 0, 1. This is the correct answer for this question. Which of the following molecules P, Q, R branches in vibrational rotational spectra? We have already discussed. It is CO2 is the correct answer for this question. Question number 18. Which of the following molecules show parallel and perpendicular bands in vibrational rotation spectra? The correct answer is CO2, B, HCN, both show the parallel and perpendicular bands in rotational spectra. Therefore, the option C is correct. The frequency of the asymmetric stretching vibration of H2O molecule in centimeter per minus 1. You know, asymmetric stretching vibration has the highest value. Therefore, the option B, 3760 centimeter per minus 1 is the correct answer. And what is the unit for force constant? You already know. The first A, Newton per meter, B, lines per centimeter per. Both options are correct. Therefore, option C, A and B are correct answer. 21. Which of the molecule has high force constant value? Option C, C triple bond C. 22. Which of the following molecule has high force constant? The correct answer is A, CO.